Here are the answers for the bell work, day 4. Find positive geometric means between the two given numbers. So to find the geometric mean, the fastest way is to do the square root of the first number times the second number. So this is the square root of 16, which is equal to 4. What this means is if 2 was the first number in a sequence of 3 numbers and 8 was the last number, then that missing number would have to be a 4. Because you'd go 2 times 2 makes 4, 4 times 2 makes 8. Next one, to find the geometric mean, let's do the square root of the first number times the second number. So this makes the square root of 9, which is equal to 3. Now day 4, problem 2. Insert the given number of geometric means. We want to find 2 of them between 1 and 27. So what are the 2 missing numbers? You might be able to get it by guessing a value of r. What do you think you might times by repeatedly to end up with 27? I think maybe you times by 3. 1 times 3 makes 3. 3 times 3 makes 9. 9 times 3 makes 27. Yeah, it checks out. Now, what if you didn't know that? The very first number is a. This last number is a sub 4. So let's use our formula for a geometric sequence. In general, it's t sub n equals a times r to the n minus 1. And for our t sub n, we're going to use the fact that we know what the fourth term is. It's 27. A is 1. We don't know what r is. And n is 4. So this is 27 equals r to the third power. Take the cube root of both sides, and you'll get that r is 3. Now you know what to times by. 1 times 3 makes 3. 3 times 3 makes 9. Okay, this next one we have negative 7, and then 4 unknown numbers, and then the next one is negative 224. I'm not sure if I can just guess the correct number for r this time. So let's use the formula. We have the value of a, and we have the value of a sub 6. We know what the sixth number is. So the formula is t sub n equals a times r to the n minus 1. And when it says t sub n, we're going to use the t sub 6, the fact that we know what t sub 6 is. It's negative 224. A is negative 7. We don't know r. And for n, fill in a 6. Now divide both sides by negative 7. This makes 32 equals r to the fifth power. To solve for r, we need to do a fifth root. And the fifth root of 32 is 2. Now that we know what r is, we can multiply by it to get the missing numbers. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. Negative 14 times 2 is negative 28. Negative 28 times 2 is negative 56. And negative 56 times 2 is negative 112. And just to check that it works, negative 112 times 2 does make negative 224.